She put on some makeup, red brushes, a long blonde hair, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And to wonder what it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. An aching head, so I get frozen carcass, and she helps me to